in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium broke. Wanna fat pretty like Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So today is Tuesday. We all know what Tuesdays are for. Tuesdays are weekdays here on this channel. So today's wig is from an Amazon seller, and I cannot say their name, of course, so I will pop it up right here. I want to say a huge thank you for them sending the wig over, but of course, just a disclaimer, all my thoughts and opinions are mine. I'm not gonna lie about it. I'm not gonna say anything just to boost it up or anything like that. Like, they're not paying me, and even if they were paying me, I'm still gonna be truthful. Just know that. So let's get into it. This is their Yaki straight headband synthetic wig glue. It's a whole lot. It's 22 inches long. I got it in the color one. They have it as one black and then 1B. I'm not sure what that's about, but it is $19.99, and of course if you have Prime then it'll come in like a day, 2 days maybe. But this is how it came. Oh wow. So this comes in a, I guess, one of those backpacks, and it just says hair on it. It doesn't even have the brand name, but okay. And then it comes in this bag. So they send you, oh, this one's cute, a headband, because it is a headband wig. I'm pretty sure I said that. Oh yes, they sent 2 wig caps. We love that, especially when it's black, because I tend to wear the black ones. So, and then there is the headband wig in itself. So let's just get into it and try it on. Just go ahead and switch my shirt, just because whenever I tend to do wig reviews, I want to make sure that the hair isn't matching the shirt. That way you can actually see the wig. This is probably the most natural looking wig that I have in my collection thus far. This looks like I just went and got a blowout, and I just have a cute little headband on just to make sure that my hair isn't all in my face. This is so natural looking. Like, I am very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have high hopes for this, because I get kind of nervous sometimes when companies say like it's Yaki textured, you know, like everybody don't do Yaki right. And then on top of that, for it to be an Amazon seller and it's only for $20, I'm just like, y'all did that. Did that. If you haven't seen the last headband wig I did, I will link that in the cards and in the description box below as well. But with that one, that band and that cap construction, it was a little bit stretchier. Like, it had a lot of give to it. This one, not so much. I'm not gonna say it's not big head friendly, but you're gonna feel more secure with this one than you probably will with that one. Don't get me wrong, I still love that wig. I wore it in a vlog. I don't know when that vlog will be posted, if it'll be posted before this video or after this video, but I wore it then. I love it. It's beautiful to me. I said that one would probably be like my everyday go-to wig, just something to throw on really quick, but honestly I think this one might become that wig just because it's more to my texture type of hair. I'm trying to see if I'm getting any shedding. I'm not getting any shedding at all. Oh, there's a tangle right there, which caused some shedding. But yeah, other than that, I'm pretty sure it is 22 inches. It's pretty long. Like I said, this is the most natural looking wig I've ever seen. Wow. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you're subscribed before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime I upload a video. If you haven't seen my video over, I think it's 10 hairstyles that you can do with the headband wig, I'll also pop that one up in the cards, and I'll also pop it in the description box below. I'm definitely gonna try out some of those hairstyles with this headband wig. Follow your girl on Instagram, it's at Dotson. My TikTok is also at Dotson. I will stop rambling now, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got lips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in the media, bro, wanna